What's up everybody, Kenneth here, back with another video, and today is a new belt day, judging by this box, and it's first for my replica belt collection because this is my very first non-wrestling related replica title belt. And what do we need to unbox this? What do we need to unbox this new belt? Knife. Put the knife away. This belt right here will bring my replica belt collection up to 89. Receipt. Table, turn the box into a table. It's on the table. Whoa. Ooh. Need the knife. Take. Wait a second. Ooh. That was a lot easier. And I must say this is the most ugliest bag ever. But it does have, where is it? The official UFC licensed product right there. So let's get this zipped, zip. Ooh. And like in every video, let you see it before I do, like in every video. And 3, 2, 1. The UFC World Heavyweight Championship Legacy Edition. And this is a hefty belt. Replica title belt. That is. And like always, my turn. Yes! Yes! Awesome! At first, I only had a UFC DVD collection. Now I've got an official replica. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. This belt marks number 89 in my replica belt collection. So let's see what it looks like over the shoulder. Yeah. Awesome. 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 And I think this marks a milestone in my replica belt collection. But it's not over yet. Soon I'll have another mystery unboxing part 2. And I'm not going to tell you what replica belt it is until I eventually get it. I'll say this belt is pretty awesome. And this isn't the only non-wrestling related replica belt I'm planning on getting. I'm going to get the BMF Championship and the classic UFC Championship. And if it's still there on eBay, I happened to come across a Pride FC Grand Prix Championship, and it's very well detailed, stacked plates. So I'll make sure I get that. So I'll have, I think, about 4 non-wrestling related replica titles in my collection, and I think that's sufficient enough, because I'm going to go back to adding more wrestling related replica title belts. It's good to have one of these types in your collection, I guess. So I'll do an overshot review in a separate video, but here's a close-up. Show the tip right there. So this is my unboxing of the UFC World Heavyweight Championship Legacy Edition. And like always, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'd just like to say thanks to all my subscribers out there. It's much appreciated. And just in case I've already said it before, please subscribe. You'll be helping out my channel a lot and be much appreciated. And I appreciate all the support that all my subscribers have given me. So yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure have, because it's a very first non-wrestling related replica title belt. So, and I'll see you in the next video.